This is pretty fucking cool. The absolute legends over at Barbarian Racing have decided to send me a cheeky little care package. Let's have a look what's in it. And what this is the MX5 1.8 Induction Kit. Performance Induction Kit, might I add. Looks so cool. It's like Christmas. So have a guess what we're going to be doing today. We're going to go up Tony's and we're going to fit this sexy ass induction kit. And I can tell you more about it there. But it looks really fucking good. Let's pack it up and go and fit it. Do you know what? That's not good enough. It deserves more than that. This is a very important parcel. It's a VIP, yeah. Deserves more than that. Hiya mate, are you busy? Would you be able to give us a lift? I just need a lift up to Tony's.
When now or?
Yeah, if you're free.
Yeah, I can do.
Right.
I'll set off now, I'll be about 10-15 minutes.
Alright, nice one mate. Cheers. Alright, see you soon. Bye bye. That's more like it. Hiya mate, you alright? Alright. Alright. Just put that in there. Just put that there. Sorry mate, sorry. Just strap her in.
What are you on about?
Eh?
What are you on about?
I just rang you.
Yeah.
I just asked if you can give me a lift up to Tony's. You said yeah.
Give you a lift.
No, it's this you see. It's a VIP.
Mate, you get a fucking
Don't worry about that, it's fine. VIP, very important parcel. I thought it'd be appropriate.
You're a bastard.
Are we cool? 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 Cool, we're cool. Strap her in. There we go. Safety first. If you just want to do that for me, mate. Nice one.
I can't believe you got me doing this shit.
Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. Right, I'll see you up Tony's, yeah?
Right,
I'll see you up Tony's. Cheers, thank you. See you in a bit. Bye bye. Cheers for that, mate. Cheers, nice one. I'll see you up Tony's, yeah? Cheers, nice one. Nice one, pal. Mad. Yeah, cheers for that, mate. Really appreciate that.
One VIP parcel.
VIP parcel, very important parcel delivered. There we go. There we go. Aston versus MX5 Rev Ball. I want to do it.
it's a grunt, that, isn't it? That's not a...
Pretty ridiculous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, Tony, are you ready to get this going? Let's get all these bits out.
Quick.
So many bits.
Damn.
So we've got all pieces here, ready to install it. It should be a pretty simple job, what do you reckon, Tony?
Shouldn't be too bad.
Looks pretty straightforward, so we're going to throw all that in there. I have got this Halford spec botch job, fucking like serious botch job, but that's all going, all that good beautiful nice stuff's going in. We need to take off this box, put the sensor back, which mates into all this good stuff down here. So we'll get this off, get rid of this Halford spec pod filter first. Just look at it. Just look. So that's all the old intake off. Blah. Sorry, that's there. It's in a bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to just start installing the new induction kit, and we're just going to start here and work our way around, and it should be a sound job. A sound job. What do you reckon, Tony? It's all on. It's pretty self-explanatory, really. It's not difficult at all. You just if you just go from, you just start here and just work your way around piece by piece. It's really simple. The hardest bit was probably figuring out which clamp goes where. But you've got three that are odd sizes. That one, that's obviously self-explanatory. You've got a slightly bigger one that goes on the bottom of this, and your huge one that goes around there. And that's it. All the rest are the same size, but yeah. Tony's just tightening it all down now, so it'll be nice and secure. And then we'll start her up, see what happens. Whoop. So it's all in, it's all tightened down, don't really move, that's good, that's what we want. I really like it. I really like it. We'll start it up in a minute, see, hear the little, hear the
Starting.
Ah, go on, give us a start up. It jugs. I like it. Yeah, excuse that whirring sound. It's a bit of a power steering pump bearing issue.
But yeah, it should be good as well. Because on the standard airbox, hold on, standard airbox. Bloody MX5 problems, you know. So the standard airbox sits there somewhere, and you do get the feed coming from the same place, but it's a tiny little, look at that, tiny little intake, whereas that big fucker, you're going to get a lot more air into your engine. And the difference with these pod filters that people have, which I had for a short while, that sits there, so it's closer to all the heat, so you're not getting proper cold air, whereas this draws it from there. So you've got an opening there which just draws the coldest of cold air in, and a lot of it at once. So hopefully, Tony, we should get a few little ponies out of this.
Just a few.
Only a few, like. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Oh, I've shut the boot! What I think we'll do now, go for a little drive, see if we can notice any differences while you're driving, see if we can hear it more, you know. Are you up for a little run? Aye.
Why?
Let's go for a little run. Right, so we're just going to have a little drive, see if we can hear the difference what this induction kit makes, or even feel it. You might feel it. Out, by the way, I don't know if you can notice. Well, that's quality, that. I'm well happy with that. Yes. See, I'll put all the links for Barbarian Racing down in the description. Definitely check them out. They don't just do MX5 stuff, they do different parts for loads of different cars. But I am well happy with that. Again, massive thank you to Barbarian Racing. It's actually unreal that you've done this. Can't thank you enough. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao!